see, yeah! Here we are in the beautiful Florida Keys, and we're gonna do a little small 6-foot cast net tutorial, and the star of this episode is Dante Cane. Dante, walk us through, because believe it or not, there's kids and even adults at home that are gonna learn to throw a cast net from you. So what's step one?
Step one is you get your loop.
Okay.
You get some line from over here.
Okay.
Pull this through.
Make a loop. Fasten it. Is that your strong right hand or your?
Yeah, you gotta use your strong right hand.
Okay, you put the loop on your strong right hand. Okay, what's next?
Now you're gonna want to make a loop and do that.
Okay, make a bunch of little lassos, little.
And then with your underhand.
Okay, underhand.
Grab.
Okay, keep going, buddy. Nice. So a bunch of little circles into that same hand.
Yep.
Then what?
Then you're gonna grab this.
Okay. Stretch it out to the top.
Stretch it out.
Okay, and then where do we put that?
Put that right over here.
Into the same hand. Then you go down to what, like the midway mark of the net?
Yeah.
And then what?
Then you're gonna grab that part.
With the same hand again? All right, and then what?
Get a piece like right over here.
Okay.
And then put it in your mouth.
All right.
Then you're gonna
Reach out.
in there. Grab a piece like this far.
Excellent.
Along there.
Wait, don't throw it, don't throw it. So once you have it prepared in your hand, let me take a little video close up. That's how it should look, guys, back home. And once you have it in your hand, can you explain how you're gonna, are you just gonna throw it all out?
No.
What are you gonna do?
So with this hand.
Okay, don't throw it, just explain,
With this hand.
That's your weak hand, your left hand, okay?
This is what is gonna open it.
Okay, that's gonna spin and open it, right?
Yeah.
Excellent, Dante. Thank you, that was a great tutorial. Great.
Work your body and try.
So you torque your body and then spin with your left, like you said, right? All right, give us a shot. Let's see. Woo!
You want to pull up so it doesn't get stuck on the rock.
On the bottom, yeah, you got to get it up fast. Step to the edge, right? Excellent tutorial, Dante. Thank you, buddy. I guarantee you there's going to be people writing to you saying, thanks, Dante. I know how to throw a cast net now. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Hold on. All right, they're loaded. Nail them, Dante. Oof, pull it this way, that rock. Yes, my boy. Let's go, let me see. Pull, lift it up. Yeah, we're loaded, good shot, buddy. Let's go. All right, you got your loop on. You wanna see your boy get some mullets? Watch him work. All right, grab your cap, stretch it out, reach down to your midway point, into your strong hand. This boy is good, he's trained. One piece in the mouth. All right, go do work, buddy. Go find your mullets. Ooh, they're thick over there, I think. Keep going, go to the edge, remember. Walk out to the edge. Keep going, get closer to them. All right, step on the edge. Let's twist your body more. I get him. Ooh, pull him up, buddy. I think you got him. Woo, let me see, yeah. Woo, give me 5, leave him there. I'll go get the bucket, buddy, good job. And that's how it's done, guys. Sharking with seaweed.